So mpe Diamond.
Tatati.
Charity. And it's not a norm when it comes to big artists like you. Why? This is a charity concert.
I have to give back for to my people because, you know, I came from the hood. I came from the slum area. I came from lower life, so I have to give back. That's my duty. I have to do that. So it's like I don't want to be selfish. I love empowerment. So I love empowering people so that, you know, the more you help people, the more you get more. So I'm trying to get more blessings.
Okay. What should Ugandans expect on Friday?
The best show ever. I don't joke when I come to the stage.
Uganda is like home to you.
Of course.
How do you always feel when you come to Uganda?
I feel like I have my kids around.
Yeah. By the way, that's very important. Some people are asking, did you carry them? Did you come with them?
I didn't come with my kids. Because of the school.
Wow.
Have you thought of having a family here, as in living in Uganda?
I don't want to lie to you, but because I have the kids, so it's like I have a family already.
There's rumor that you have a house here in Uganda. Is it true?
I don't know. I don't have a house.
You never know. Diamond, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming through.
What do you hope of having another woman, like the Ugandan woman? Because for the Zari, you're already separated. What do you think of having another woman?
You know, having a kid with someone is a process. It's not something that you can just do. I don't know, maybe if I happen to love someone in here, not only loving, maybe if I see someone who can, we can have a proper
the science, the chemistry.
Let's talk about the collaborations with different artists in Uganda. I haven't seen so many coming through. This time around you come for like 4 days before the show. Are we expecting you working with other artists in the country?
I think before I leave, we may drop a song, me and of course Diana.
Spice Diana.
Spice Diana. So I think maybe we will shoot as well. We've been planning to do a song for a while. We have a couple of songs with me and Spice Diana, but they're not out yet. So they should expect. The song is coming, and I think maybe I will shoot a video in here. And maybe it will come out before I leave, or maybe we'll perform the song as well.
Okay, let's talk about your collaborations with male artists.
Last question.
Of course. I would love to do a song with Jose Camilo and my brother.
Oh wow, that's dope.
On a percentage, how would you rate the Ugandan music to Nigerian music, like Tanzanian music?
I'm East African, so of course I would prefer Ugandan music first because it's my home. It doesn't matter how they sound, but to me, I'm East African, so when it comes to my culture, like I prefer my culture more.
Ntubye nalabyemu ekisooka bana entertainment journalism mwongere nnyo okusoma. Sikyateeka nti bw'ofuna essimu yebbe oba kamera ogenda otandika okukola amawulire.
Anodde baseka n'ebitase.
Mwongere nnyo okusoma kijja bayambako ku interview ezifaanaganako bwe zityo. Entertainment eri awo buli omu asobola ogiyingiramu.
Omwana abuuza ekibuuzo ate n'aseka nga tebanana muddamu.
N'aseka, so mwongere nnyo okusoma kikulu nnyo wadde ng'olugambo kwasama naye it is good okuba ng'okola ki.
Mpeerayo Diamond ekibuuzo awo.
Kakati kansooke mpe submission yange. Ekirala nkyendabyemu awo Diamond bamubuuzizza ku comparing music wa Nigeria owa Tanzania n'owa Uganda agambye Mr. African. Kakati waliwo abayimbi Katonda alabika nga Katonda bayambye naye nga baprefaringa okubeera omu nga yaliyo. Kakati Diamond abadde ku stage ez'amaanyi ate genuinely. Kakati n'akiraba nti Abanigeria bajja basatu baagala kuyimba lumu kati ogenda kumaliza nga Diamond gwa bagguliddewo. Oba ontegeera. Kati singa nange mbadde nva mu East Africa tusobola okutwala tugamba nti Uganda ereese Kamiliyoni, Tanzania ereese Diamond, Kenya ina Sauti Sol kati nga batuulamu ng'abakulu b'okukyalo nti kati tusooseeyo ani. Oba ontegeera. Ne balaba nga bali wamu. Alabi Tanzania agikubye Africa emulemeredde lwaki kubanga Tanzania avuddeyo atya omu. So there is time where tubanga tulina okuva ku individualism tubeere bangi tusobole okugguka olumu. So byendabyemu naye nga alina show enkya.
Ekibuuzo kya Diamond.
Diamond, how are you?
Utambula mu ba celebrities.